Welcome to 15-Minute English Drive. I'm Leo.
And I'm Debbie. Today we dive straight into 12 essential words about ordering food delivery. Let's go.
Blanked when the delivery guy called? Inoni kantornarini.
Oh, that happens to me too. Let's try a scene. You are home and hungry.
I am hungry. It's Monday. I need more coffee. What should I order?
Let's order pizza. I will help you. I'm your friend visiting.
Let's start the scene. Debbie, I'm hungry. Let's get food delivery. I don't want to cook.
Me neither, Leo. Let's find a pizza place. Which one do you like?
This one looks good. Let's check the menu. I hope they have vegetarian pizza.
Oh, look, they do. Look at this big menu. I want mushrooms and olives.
Perfect. I'll add it to the basket. Let's get one large pizza. Is that enough?
Yes, I think so. Oh, wait. Can we add garlic bread too?
Oh, of course. I'll add it to the basket now. One pizza, one garlic bread. This is a good order.
Great. I can't wait for our food delivery. I'm hungry just thinking about it.
Me too. I'm glad we decided to order. My kitchen is messy tonight.
Same here. My cat biscuit is on the kitchen table. No cooking there.
Ha, a cat on the table. That's a good reason. Let's stop the scene here.
Yes, let's pause. Did you hear those first 4 words? They were great.
I think so too. The first was food delivery. Let's talk about it.
That's right, Leo. Food delivery means a restaurant brings food to your house. It's a service.
Food. Delivery. I use food delivery 3 times a week.
Wow, 3 times! I use it when I'm tired or when it's raining.
That's true. It's nice on a rainy day. My sister Mia uses it often. She is busy.
Next, we used order. This can be a verb or a noun.
To order food is a verb. My order is a noun. You can say both.
That's a good point. To order is the action. Your order is the thing you get. ORDER.
So, I want to order pizza. Later, my order is on its way. Easy.
Exactly. Then you used menu. This is a list of food at a restaurant. Menu.
Yes, the menu. I always look at the menu online before I go.
Me too. I like to know what I want. It saves time. A menu can be paper or digital.
Next, we had add to basket. This is an action.
Yes. To add to basket means to choose an item.
You click a button. Then the item goes into your basket. Basket.
It's like a shopping basket at the supermarket.
Some websites also say add to cart. This is the same.
See art. Cart is more common in America.
Basket is often used in the UK. Both mean the same thing.
So you add to basket or add to cart. Both are correct.
I think everyone understands those. Let's go back to our scene. Pizza is in our basket.
Right, what's next? We have the items. You are ready to pay now.
Back in character. I'm ready for checkout. I need to enter my card details.
Wait, Leo. Check the delivery address. Is it correct? It says your old office.
Oh no! You are right. That's not my delivery address. I must change it. Thanks.
You're welcome. We don't want the pizza there. Now it shows your home.
Good catch. Phew. What is the estimated time for food to arrive?
Let's see. It says 40 minutes. Is that okay?
40 minutes? That is a long time. I'm hungry now. I need food.
I know. But it's a Monday night. They are probably busy.
That's true. Should we choose pickup instead? Is the restaurant near here?
Let me check the map. It's a 20-minute walk. Pickup is faster.
I don't want to walk. I went to the gym. My legs are tired. Let's wait.
Your choice. 40 minutes it is. And scene end. That was good.
Yes. I make that mistake often. The wrong address.
Let's look at those words. First, we had checkout. CHECKOUT.
Checkout is the last step. You pay for everything in your basket.
Yes. It's the same word for shopping online or for a hotel.
Right. I am at the checkout. Or it's time to check out. It's a noun and verb.
Good point. Next was an important one. Delivery address. 2 words.
DELIVERY. ADDRESS. This is where your food goes.
Yes. It's your home or work address. Always check it is correct.
I learned that today. I almost sent pizza to an empty office. That is sad.
Very sad. Next we have estimated time. ESTIMATED. TIME.
This means it's not the exact time. It's a guess. Food arrives around then.
That's right. It could be earlier, or, if there is traffic, a little later.
Traffic. I know about traffic. I sit in traffic every day, so I know estimated times.
Yes, I can imagine. Our last word here was pickup. PICKUP.
Pickup is when you go to the restaurant. You get the food yourself. No delivery.
Correct. Sometimes it's faster or cheaper. You do not pay for delivery.
I sometimes do pickup on my way home. It's easy. I just stop the car.
See? It's a good option. I do it when I walk home from the bus stop.
Let's do our final scene. The food is on its way. I'm excited now.
This time I will be the driver. I'm calling you because I'm lost. Phone is ringing.
Hello?
Hello, this is your driver. I'm trying to find your apartment. I can't see the number.
Oh, I see. I will track your order on the app. It says you are close.
Yes, I am. But which building is it? There are 3 big ones here.
I see. Did you see the special instructions? I wrote something to help.
Let me check. Oh, yes. The special instructions say, it's the building with the blue door.
That's the one. Come to the blue door. I will meet you outside.
Perfect, thank you. I see it now. I will be there in 1 minute.
Great, thank you. I will have a good tip for you. See you soon.
And scene. We got our pizza. Well done, Leo. Your instructions helped.
Thanks. I always write clear instructions. My building is hard to find.
Let's review those last 4 words. First, we discussed track your order.
Yes. TRACK. To track your order means watching its location on a map.
It's very useful. You see where your driver is. You know when they will arrive.
I love this function. I watch the little car on the map. It's like a video game.
I do that too. Next word, driver. DRIVER. This is the person who brings your food.
The driver works for the company. They bring food from the restaurant to you.
Exactly. It's a hard job. Lots of driving, sometimes in bad weather.
Our next word is tip. TIP. This is extra money you give the driver.
Yes, a tip says thank you for good service. It's very common in America.
It is. A normal tip is 15 or 20%. It is important.
In the UK, it's a bit different. But it's nice to give a tip for great service.
Our last one is special instructions. SPECIAL. INSTRUCTIONS.
These are extra notes you write for the restaurant or driver.
Like, do not ring the doorbell, or I am allergic to nuts.
I always write, please be quiet, I have a cat. My cat Biscuit hates loud noises.
That's a good special instruction. I think we covered all words.
We did? We are out of time. Are you ready for a quick test?
I was born ready. After all my coffee, my brain is fast.
I'll give you the meaning. Tell me the word. Ready, everyone? Here we go.
Let's do it. I'm ready.
The list of food at a restaurant.
The menu.
When you go to the restaurant to get the food yourself.
That is pickup.
The last step, when you pay online.
Checkout.
The person who brings the food to your house.
The driver.
A guess of when your food will arrive?
Estimated time.
The action of buying food for delivery.
To order. Or my order.
The button you press to choose an item.
Add to basket. Or add to cart.
Extra money for the driver.
A tip. A very important tip.
The place where they bring your food.
Your delivery address.
Notes for the restaurant or driver.
Special instructions.
Watching the driver on a map.
Track your order.
The service of bringing food to you.
Food delivery.
Wow, 12 out of 12. You did great. I am sure you did great too.
I feel better now. I am ready to order lunch. No mistakes this time. That is the end of today's 15-minute English drive. Great work listening all the way through.
New episode every day. Subscribe and hit the bell so you never miss one. Keep practicing, and we will see you tomorrow. Safe drive!